All right, I got these Wissonly High Runner bone conduction earphones. These are my first bone conduction earphones. I've never experienced anything like this before. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show them to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. In my opinion these things are pretty awesome. And the sound quality on these is way better than I expected. So just to show you, it came packaged very nicely in this box. And you get the headphones themselves. You get a charging cable. It's a magnetic type charger. If you charge this thing for 2 hours, it'll give you up to 10 or so hours of playtime on here. You got this little stretchy band guy if you want to put that on there, and you get a set of instructions. Hooking it up, super simple. You just turn it on and you connect it. It says on there Wissonly High Runner. Doesn't have any numbers or anything, which I think is great. Let's go through some of the features on here. So if you've never used the bone conduction headphones anymore, they don't actually fit in your ears or your ear canal. So these are perfect for someone who's an athlete, such as myself. They just hook on over your ears and they sit in front of the ear right here. And I've never experienced this before, but it actually generates the sound through the bones in your ear, I guess. The sound quality to me is super impressive. I'm blown away by these. The way they hook on, they're super comfortable, super lightweight. I can't even feel them on here right now, and they're not moving around. They're waterproof, by the way, too. So if you're someone who's a runner, a jogger, a bike rider, this is perfect. They stay on there perfect. They don't fall off. And the best part is if you're out running on the street or you're riding on the street, you still got your open ear canal here to hear what's going on in your surroundings and keep you safe. You have all your controls on the one side right here. So if you're putting them on this way, obviously the controls are going to be on here. So it's very simple. You got 3 buttons, power on and off, and you've got an up and down button, a plus and a minus. Oh yeah, another thing on these too, they have 32 gigs of memory on here. So you can actually hook this up to your computer and use it like a flash drive and drop 32 gigs of tunes on there, whatever you want. A podcast, that's a lot of space. And when you're listening to tunes, you can just press and long hold the up or down and it'll move to the next song or the last song. And the last thing, another thing too, you can use it to answer phone calls with too. If you're looking for a headset, something to take to the gym, something to take out jogging, something to take bike riding, something to do something athletic with, or just something to go for a walk with or to wear to work, check out these High Runner bone conduction headphones by Wissonly. These things are awesome. Check them out.